Foldables are about to get a whole lot thinner, smarter, and sleeker. Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, is just around the corner. And trust me, this one's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. So if you're thinking of switching to a foldable in 2025, get ready, because this might be the one that finally folds your doubts away. Alright, let's unfold what we know so far about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And spoiler alert, it's shaping up to be Samsung's most refined foldable yet. Samsung's going ultra slim this year. The Fold 7 is expected to be just 4.2 millimeters when unfolded and 8.9 millimeters when folded. That's thinner than most regular phones. And it's lighter too, weighing around 215 grams. It's got a glass ceramic back, an armor aluminum frame, and comes in some stunning colors like jet black, silver shadow, and a new blue shadow. You're getting a 6.5-inch AMOLED cover screen and a massive 8.2-inch inner display, both with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. And yes, the crease is reportedly smaller this time. Finally, under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, a beast of a chip built for multitasking, gaming, and AI features. You'll get 12 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage with UFS 4.0 for blazing fast speeds. This is where things get spicy. The Fold 7 is expected to rock a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. Selfies, you've got a 10 megapixel front camera and a 4 megapixel under-display camera on the inner screen. It's sticking with a 4,400 milliamp hour battery with 25 watts wired, 15 watts wireless, and reverse wireless charging. Not the fastest, but Samsung's software optimization should help stretch that battery life. It'll ship with One UI 8 based on Android 16, and Samsung promises 7 years of updates. Expect smarter multitasking, better app continuity, and AI-powered tools like Circle to search and live translate. The Fold 7 is launching on July 9, 2025, and pre-orders are already live. If you're hyped for the Fold 7 or just love staying ahead in tech, smash that like button, share this video with your tech squad, and subscribe to ToPhoneGyan for more deep dives, comparisons, and hands-on reviews. And hey, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a fold.